Now that your project is complete, you're going to want to save that and share it with others. When you finish a project, in the top left-hand corner, push Done. When you press Done, you'll see that the project exits out, and now you'll see a different screen. There are a few things that you can do on this screen. You can preview the movie two ways, either by pushing play in the middle, which will just play it in that screen, or you can push play at the bottom, which will make it full screen. If you previewed your project and you want to edit something, you can do that just by pushing the Edit button there in the middle. If you don't like the project, you can hit the trash can and it will delete it from your library. If you want to save and share your project with others, then you're going to want to hit that button down at the very bottom with the box and the arrow coming out of it. This is going to give you a few options to share or to save your video. The button I use most often is that first one where it says Save Video. This will save it to your iOS device. There are also some other options, like saving it to iTunes or the iCloud. The top row allows you to share it with other people. You can share it through Facebook, through YouTube, or you can even message it to someone. If you take the time to make a movie, it's important to share your ideas and your final project with others. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that it will help you begin incorporating video into your classroom. Whether it's for you, the teacher, to create your own things and share it with your students, or for students to create their own projects and share it with the class. Video is a powerful tool that both enhances teaching and learning. Good luck with your project.